Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking you with me for my Pandora shopping for the new collection. I am so excited, you guys. I couldn't sleep at all. So it's raining now in Paris. This is why I'm wearing a hat, and it's really cold actually once again. And I know what charms I want to get, but maybe I'll get more. I have two on my wish list, but okay. Now let's get to the train station. I am so mad, you guys. My train is coming in 14 minutes, so I have to wait here for 14 minutes. I don't know, I'm so unlucky already. But I called the Pandora store beforehand to see if they have the charms that I wanted, and they told me that yes, they have it in stock, but you never know. So just going to wait here in this cold weather. I'm going to show you how everything looks like. So as usual, the train in front of me is coming right now. Like the sky is so gray, and there is like construction work everywhere. So the reason why I go to this Pandora store is because it's located in my previous workplace, which is like a department store, and I still benefit from 20% off of many brands, and Pandora is included. So this make me like really, like, this is the reason why I go just like all the way up there. Just wanted to show you some inside of where I'm going to do my shopping. It's a really famous Parisian place, and this mall right here, like here, if you want to go on a shopping spree in Paris, you will likely want to get there because there are all the brands. And this is what I got, guys. I am so excited to show you. I spent so much money today. I finished my shopping spree, and then I'm going to take my train to go back home. And okay, it was a really fun day. Grocery store, and I bought a whole lot of candies and chocolate. I'm craving sugar, you guys. I'm finally home, and this is my dog. Ooh, hi, baby. So he's a big shosho. Well, actually not big. He's 2 years old only, and his name is Hades. I'm going to explain you later why I called him Hades. He's such a sweetheart. I was happy because I got a package which contains like the main item, because I needed to make a YouTube video on this, so I was waiting for it, and I was supposed to receive a pre-loved item from Pandora, like from like someone, but it's Pandora, and it was supposed to arrive today, but actually I will have to go get it at the post office because like the postman and didn't bother to like ring at the doorbell and see if we were here, and my boyfriend was here. So okay, a bit disappointed, but it's okay. So I arrived at the mall at around 11:30 or 12 p.m. and I got out at around 1:30. And it was fun because I met like some of my coworkers, ex-coworkers, and because I left the company, like all of a sudden they were wondering where I was. So I just explained to them that I wanted to leave because of personal reasons and find another job. Anyway, and also, okay, my dog, his name is Hades, which is the name of like the god of hells, the hell. Like it's like a demon of hell maybe. And I wanted to name him this way because I really wanted a show, like I always wanted show, and you know, like Hades is like a name with like a charismatic name, and I love how he just looks like a beer, and I thought that the contrast was really nice. And that's it, you guys. And my dog is like the cutest dog ever. I think he's never going to be mean to anyone. He never barks at other dogs. He's really so cute. He sleeps all day. Okay guys, now it's time for me to show you what I got. So first thing that I'm going to show you is from Pandora, because as you have seen in the clips, I also went to Thomas Abo and wanted to grab some rings. So I'm going to show you to show them to you later. I also grabbed the catalog and I realized that they were really like thin. Before they used to make like big catalogs, almost like books. And so first, the charms from the new collection are in this box. So I got those 3 amazing pieces. So the Dumbo charm, the Dumbo Dangle charm was on my wish list, of course, and same for this one, which represents Dumbo and his mom. And the Murano, I just completely fell in love with it, and I thought it could go so well on my Disney bracelet. Now I'm going to take them out of the box and show you how it looks on the bracelet. The first charm I'm going to show you is this amazing Murano glass bead. It's pink with flowers, and it's 3D flowers. It's not like the flowers are not inside the glass. The pink is really pretty, and inside, I don't know if you can see, but there is some glitter. Oh, you can see. It looks amazing. Then I have this one, which represents Dumbo and his mom. You can see it's really beautiful. The eyes of the 2 elephants are in blue enamel, and Dumbo has his cute yellow hat, and his mom, has this pink beautiful hat. Like on the sides you have some heart cut out details, and on the back it says "My precious love." I really wanted this charm because already told you, but I like when I was like a little child, my mom loved watching Disney movies with me, and we loved to watch Dumbo. Even if it was like a sad movie, we always enjoyed watching it together. And I remember that I couldn't watch it alone because it made me cry, and it was really reassuring for me to have my mom with me when I used to watch it. And also, like, I went through some hard times like lately in the past few months, and my mom wanted to give me like a gift to cheer me up, and instead she just gave me some money that I have used today to get this. So this one will be really important for me. It's gonna be one of my centerpieces. Last, because I'm a Dumbo fan, it's of course the Dumbo Dangle charm. It looks amazing. He has like those blue little eyes, and I think that the ears can move. Actually, yes, they can. It's an amazing detail. Ooh. so cute. And on the top of the charm you can see a central clear CZ. It's an amazing piece. I am in love. So next I'm going to show you the other item that I got, which is a ring, and I got a floating locket heart-shaped ring. And this was not that planned, but I have the mini shape locket and I wanted the ring, and I think it looks amazing. And for the petite, as I already have the mini locket and I have 3 petites inside that I got for my birthday, sorry, I'm going to put one of them inside. And when I take pictures, I'm going to post them on Instagram. I'm going to show you how it looks on my finger. Here you go. Really simple and dainty, really elegant. I love the CZ, they're really shiny. Then I have some Thomas Sabo items. So they had an offer, so if you buy one you have the second like 50% off. And originally I wanted like a pinky ring, a ring that I could wear on this finger because I really like this style. And then I fell in love with a ring that was on my wish list. I am so weak. I'm going to take them out of this box for you. So I took the first one out of this box and there was like a mini pouch, which is really different from Pandora's packaging. And here's how it looks. So it's the rose gold, I think it's called the Marquise ring. I'm going to check. And I love the stone so much. When I wear it, when I tried it at the store, I immediately told the sales assistant, okay, this one I take it. And I already have like the silver version of this ring, but I think that the rose gold looked a lot better. And then moving up to the next ring, and this is how the second one looks like. It's a silver ring with CZs all around, and it goes on this finger. I really like this style. I think it's really elegant. So I was really happy with my purchases, and also I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was really nice for me to film it, and I hope I'll do more in the future. Bye guys!